अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे 11th क्लास के कंप्यूटर के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। ये क्वेश्चन एक रिसर्च करके मैंने निकाले हैं। इंशाल्लाह बिल्कुल आपका जो पेपर है इसमें से ही आएगा, यानी कि 60 टोटल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है सारी बुक के, और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आप ये करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह आपका पेपर ज़रूर हो जाएगा। क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप चाहें तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक कर सकते हैं और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, राइट इट्स एप्लीकेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन डाटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन एप्लीकेशन एंड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन बिट एंड बाइट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, differentiate between software and hardware. Question number 6, define STLC and list any 4 phases of STLC. Question number 7, what do you know about work group computing. Question number 8, differentiate between intranet and extranet. Question number 9, state the purpose of FTP. Question number 10, differentiate between LAN and WAN. Question number 11, differentiate between de facto and de jure standard. Question number 12, define network topologies and analyze its different types. Question number 13, what is data communication, write elements of data communication. Question number 14, differentiate between analog and digital signal. Question number 15, differentiate between baseband and broadband. Question number 16, differentiate between serial and parallel data transmission. Question number 17, differentiate between synchronous and asynchronous. Question number 18, how computers are used in marketing. Question number 19, state the purpose of ATM. Question number 20, define video conferencing. Question number 21, differentiate between e-commerce and electronic banking. Question number 22, differentiate between CAD and CAM. Question number 23, define simulation. Question number 24, what is stored program computer. Question number 25, what is difference between ROM and RAM. Question number 26, what is the difference between SRAM and DRAM. Question number 27, what is difference between PRAM and EPRAM. Question number 28, why is RAM called volatile. Question number 29, why does SRAM use less power than DRAM. Question number 30, what is computer architecture. Question number 31, differentiate between low level and high level language. Question number 32, differentiate between source and object code. Question number 33, what is DMA. Question number 34, what are interrupts and give its advantages. Question number 35, describe the function of IO unit. Question number 36, what is difference between primary and cache memory. Question number 37, explain virus activation in computer. Question number 38, what is biometrics, state use of biometrics, list names of biometrics methods. Question number 39, differentiate between virus and antivirus. Also write the names of types of viruses and names of antiviruses. Question number 40, define the term backup, write its importance. Question number 41, differentiate between authorized and unauthorized access. Question number 42, what is the difference between primary and extended partition. Question number 43, why does a computer needs an operating system. Question number 44, what is difference between GUI and CLI. Question number 45, what is the difference between multitasking and multiprocessing operating system. Question number 46, define desktop and write the purpose of recycle bin. Question number 47, what is word processing and its use. Question number 48, list all feature of full featured word processor. Question number 49, what is difference between cut and copy command. Question number 15, what is difference between the header and footer. Question number 51, what is WYSIWYG. Question number 52, what is spreadsheet. Question number 53, explain URL. Question number 54, what is difference between worksheet and workbook. Question number 55, what is difference between formula and function. Question number 56, list all the formula of MS Excel. Question number 57, define email address, give its example. Question number 58, define internet and give its use. Question number 59. What is IP addressing? Question number 60. Write the purpose of DNS. Best of luck and Allah Hafiz.